Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to transfer money from Wise to Bank of America. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log into both of our accounts in Bank of America and Wise. But for now, the first step is log in. You can do so by logging into your mobile app or here in your website. Just provide your credentials, and once you have done that, now, once you are logged in, basically, go to your Wise dashboard wherein you can initiate the new transfer and enter the amount you want to transfer and select the currency. It's just a very straightforward process. Now, the thing is, you need to add your bank account because if you haven't already added your Bank of America account to Wise, you'll need to do so. And all you're gonna do is go to the recipient details section right in the left side of your dashboard. Click on that panel and you will be directed here and choose to add a new recipient or select an existing one. Now basically click on add recipient and that's gonna be your Bank of America, but you need to search for the currency that you wanted. All right, so right now, is it going to be on yourself, someone else, or business or charity? Now, for here, if it's a local bank, you need to provide the bank details, which is your Bank of America. Okay? And once you've done that, just click on confirm and follow the on-screen instructions. And once you've done that, click on confirm. And basically, you will receive a notification that you have given a transaction going to your Bank of America. And then you need to get over or head over to your Bank of America account and just allow some time for the transfer to be processed. Typically, it may take up a few business days for the funds to reach your Bank of America account. And from here, once the transfer is complete, check your Bank of America account to verify that the funds have been successfully deposited. Okay, and also when you go again to your Wise account, you can choose your preferred payment method like bank transfer, credit or debit card, and pay for the transfer. And you can track a transfer because once a transfer is initiated, you can track its progress within your Wise account and you'll receive a notifications about the status of your transfer. And if by any chance you got a problem transferring, just check the customer support and ask them for help. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.